Congratulations on becoming a Redpanda customer. We're excited to be on this journey with you. Our Redpanda customer community includes many organizations across finance, gaming, manufacturing, cyber, and more. You will be supported by our entire customer success team, and some of our leaders are pictured here. Of course, you can always reach out to the Redpanda sales team you've been working with too. Let's review what you've purchased and what is part of your Redpanda subscription entitlement. Redpanda's cloud subscriptions are sized by expected environment usage tiers, ingress, egress, partitions, and connections. To complement your product usage, you will also receive SLA-based enterprise support. To register for Redpanda support, please follow the link sent to you via Slack or email, and utilize your corporate email address so access is appropriately linked to your subscription entitlement. Once registered, you'll be able to communicate with Redpanda support and access the customer-only knowledge base. Beyond the customer support portal registration, feel free to subscribe to the Redpanda status page for communications regarding known issues, linked here in this slide and findable at status.redpanda.com. Lastly, if you happen to have a Slack channel with Redpanda, you can turn a Slack thread into a support ticket by reacting to your own post with a ticket emoji. From here, complete required fields and continue ticket responses in thread. No need to go into the support portal. Let's walk through Redpanda's standard support SLAs. You may contact Redpanda support via the customer portal or Slack and designate a ticket's priority as P1 through P4, with P1 being the highest priority. P1 is indicative of something like an outage or the product is failing. When in doubt, submit a P1 so we can start getting you the support that you need. P2 is when things are operating slowly or you just can't use all the features as intended. P3 will be meant for questions that have minor business impacts, such as how do I do this or how do I set up a schema registry. And then lastly, P4 I like to mention because it's an option. However, there is no SLA for this ticket priority. You'll submit a P4 for a feature request or an RCA for an old support case. When submitting P1 through 3 tickets, we expect issues to be break-fix in nature, in that something is tangibly wrong, you are facing an error, or something is deviating from what you normally would expect. Other advisory topics can be addressed with customer resources and Redpanda team conversations. As Redpanda support is 24/7 by 365, please make your best effort to match our SLA cadence. If we're paging a support engineer, we want to make sure there is a customer team member available on the other line to continue to work the case with our support engineer in the same cadence. An important note, should you need to escalate the priority of an existing ticket, please open a new P1 ticket and reference your other P2 or 3 ticket number. In the subject line, write escalate ticket, for example, 1234, and that will trigger a pager that alerts the global support and management team working around the clock. Make sure you include the cluster name or names experiencing the issue, descriptions of the error experienced, steps taken to reproduce the issues, any recent environmental changes, and the impact of what is occurring. We hope you feel well supported as a customer and encourage you to submit your CSAT feedback openly and often in surveys sent your way. Let's discuss maintenance of your managed Redpanda Cloud environment. You will need to set the maintenance window for each of your clusters, as this is important for version upgrades, security fixes, and Kubernetes version upgrades. Place these at times that have the least possible impact to business. There are no anticipated downtimes or outages, but it is good to be extra cautious. To monitor Redpanda, Redpanda Cloud exports metrics for all brokers and Kafka Connect workers from a single Prometheus endpoint. This endpoint can be found on the overview page for your cluster under How to Connect. You can monitor Redpanda with Prometheus or with any other monitoring and alerting tool such as Datadog, New Relic, Elastic Cloud, Google, or Azure. Redpanda provides a repository with examples of monitoring Redpanda with Prometheus and Grafana linked here on this slide. As your subscription begins, we wanted to provide guidance on customer resources to take advantage of. A great starting point is always the redpanda.com Learning tab, as this shows our recorded video content and documentation. We hold streamcasts and new customer office hours regularly, and these are recorded and posted to our site. Beyond this, we will share more resources in our customer welcome kit, such as maintenance considerations and production readiness tips. Our Ask AI bot integrated with the website is trained on Redpanda documentation, blogs, and content. We're constantly monitoring how customers are interacting with this. You can ask it things like, give me the steps to spin up a new BYOC cluster using Terraform. Check it out and let us know what you think. In the event you need continuous hands-on support with implementation or ongoing operations, we have a strong partner network depending on your needs and location. Welcome again, and we are excited to have you as part of our Redpanda community.